In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily resize images using GIMP. Let's dive right in and get started on this quick and simple process. If you're new to GIMP or just need a refresher, you're in the right place. Resizing images is a fundamental skill. Whether for creating graphics for a website, preparing an image for printing, or simply optimizing your images for better storage and quicker downloads. So, let's open GIMP and begin. First, you'll need to open your image in GIMP. Start by launching the program. Once it's up and running, look towards the top left corner and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Open. This will allow you to navigate to your image's location on your computer. Once you find it, click to open the image in GIMP, and you'll see it appear on your workspace, ready for editing. Now that your image is open in GIMP, it's time to resize it. Head over to the top menu and click on Image. Then select Scale Image from the drop-down options. This will open the Scale Image dialog box, where you'll do most of the resizing work. In the Scale Image box, focus on the Width field first. Click inside this box and type in the new size you want for your image. As you adjust the width, notice that the height might change automatically. This is thanks to a handy little feature that maintains the aspect ratio of your image, ensuring it doesn't get stretched or squashed out of proportion. If you want full control over the width and height separately, look for the chain icon next to these fields. Clicking it will unlock the proportions, allowing you to tailor the dimensions precisely how you like. Just be cautious when changing the height independently, as significant changes can distort your image. Once you've adjusted the width and height to your satisfaction, glance down to the bottom right corner of the dialog box. Here you'll find the Scale button. Click it to apply your changes and resize your image according to the new dimensions you've selected. Finally, to save your newly resized image, return to the File menu. This time, choose Export As to bring up the export options. You'll want to save your resized image in a format and location that suits your needs. After selecting a spot and naming your file, click Export. This will complete the process and save your resized image onto your computer. And there you have it. You've just resized an image using GIMP, a process that's both quick and effective. Thanks for joining me on this tutorial. Happy editing!